Hello, my name is Fabian Quesada. Then I present problems to negotiate biotechnology products. Problems to negotiate biotechnology products diagram. Problems protection intellectual property. Very high costs to main procedures. Delays in the process, lack of information on and clarity in it. Problems valuing technology, lack of information, lack number of valuation methods, level of technology development, technology acquisition, business practice, problems relation negotiation, lack of license to use technology, tax regulation, recommendation to avoid the abstract. Granted that the information provided is true and verifiable. Take into account the validity of the documents present to avoid set forth return. Have documentation that accredit merchandise before the register of a customer manifests in the case of being imported. Reference. Thank you. Bye.